We are
Team Exelon. Recently, 3 Mile Island Unit 1's license has been extended by 20 years to 2034. The original plant design was to only run for 40 years, but due to the longer plant life, the in-core disposal system must be upgraded to last through the license extension. The in-core instrumentation system is made up of 52 self-powered neutron detectors, shown here, which are placed at various positions throughout the reactor core. These self-powered neutron detectors monitor things such as neutron flux and temperature within the reactor core. The detectors are made up of a rhodium emitter that depletes and must be replaced every 8 years. The current system removes the highly radioactive spent self-powered neutron detectors by removing the activated sections into a lead sleeve where they are cut into 8-inch segments which then fall into a basket contained within a concrete vault. The 2 vaults that 3 Mile Island has are able to hold 1 more set of detectors. Additional storage space is now necessary to hold 3 more sets of detectors over the course of the plant life extension. Our recommendation to Exelon is to completely remove the older, less radioactive baskets of cut detectors and store them in a dry cask. The storage cask has a 1/4 inch aluminum liner, 19 to 20 centimeters of lead, a side plug, and a stainless steel shell with support rods. The aluminum liner is on the inside of the cask in order to prevent X-rays from being produced within the lead. The lead shields workers against gamma radiation. In order to remove the basket, the 12-ton cask is lifted over top of the storage vault by an overhead crane. The support rods on the side of the cask are then removed and the plug is partially removed as well. A second crane then hooks onto the basket and the basket is allowed to be raised into the cask. The plug and support rods are then reinserted. The basket is allowed to rest on top of the plug and the cable that was hooked onto the basket is now cut and is allowed to fall into the basket for storage with it. The cask is then removed from the containment building and is allowed to be stored on site in a storage facility.